Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a special shortcut for proving right triangles are congruent, the hypotenuse-leg, or HL, congruence theorem. First, let's quickly review what it means for triangles to be congruent. Two triangles are congruent if they are perfect copies of each other. This means all their corresponding sides have the same length and all their corresponding angles have the same measure. They have the exact same size and shape. The HL theorem only applies to right triangles, so let's remember their key parts. A right triangle has one 90-degree angle. The two sides that form this right angle are called the legs. The longest side, which is always opposite the right angle, is called the hypotenuse. Usually, to prove any two triangles are congruent, we use rules like side-side-side, side-angle-side, angle-side-angle, or angle-angle-side. These require knowing three specific pieces of information are congruent. You might wonder if there's a side-side angle rule. In general, there isn't. Knowing two sides and an angle that is not between them can sometimes lead to two different possible triangles, so it can't be used to guarantee congruence. But there is a special exception. And that special exception is the Hypotenuse-Leg theorem. It states that if the hypotenuse and one leg of a right triangle are congruent to the hypotenuse and one leg of another right triangle, then you can say with certainty that the two triangles are congruent. So, to use the HL theorem, you need to check off three things. First, you must be working with two right triangles. Second, you must know their hypotenuses are congruent. And third, you must know that one pair of corresponding legs are also congruent. Let's walk through a quick proof. We are given two right triangles, a BC and DEF. We are also told that their hypotenuses are congruent and that one pair of legs is congruent. With these facts, we can immediately state that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, and the reason is the HL theorem. But why is HL a valid shortcut? It all comes back to the Pythagorean theorem. The formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared tells us that if we know two sides of a right triangle, the third side's length is already locked in. So, when the hypotenuse and a leg match up, the other leg must also be the same length, which means the triangles are really congruent by side-side-side. To sum it all up, remember that the hypotenuse-leg theorem is a powerful and fast tool, but it is exclusively for right triangles. It's your go-to shortcut when you have two right triangles and you know their hypotenuses and one pair of legs are congruent. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.